Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install 20 CRM from start to finish. First, make sure you have Git, Node.js, S version 24.5, Yarn version 4, and NVM installed on your computer. These are required before you can continue. Next, open the terminal and clone the 20 CRM repository by entering the git clone command shown on the screen. Once the download is complete, move to the project's root directory by entering the next command. Now, install and configure PostgreSQL. Follow the PostgreSQL installation guide for Linux, then run the database commands exactly as shown. If you receive a permission error while using PSQL, simply add sudo u-postgres before the command and try again. Next, make sure Redis is installed and running on your Linux system. If it isn't already installed, follow the Redis installation guide for your Linux distribution before continuing. After that, configure the environment variables by copying the env example files to env for both the front end and the server using the commands shown on the screen. Now install the project dependencies by running the yarn command. This will download everything needed to build 20 CRM and seed the initial database. Remember, only Yarn version 4 is supported. Do not use npm or pnpm. Finally, set up the database by running the setup command shown on the screen, then start the 20 CRM server. After a few moments, the application will be available at localhost 3000. Open this address in your browser to access your local 20 CRM installation. Thanks for watching.